Hey everyone, what's going on? Joey here, and today, which is Friday, May 15th, it is the first beautiful day and the first beautiful weather that we've had down here in North Wildwood. Today's temperature is, I think, clocking out at around 82 degrees, and so I figured I would go ahead and come to the beach and film for you what it looks like. Now, before I get started, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. Let's get started. For those who are planning to come down to the Wildwoods, one great thing is that our beaches are finally open. While the rest of the state had their beaches closed pretty much this entire time, Wildwood and North Wildwood had them open for exercising the entire quarantine. And then on top of that, they had their beaches open before all the other cities. Now, if you do plan on coming down for Memorial Day and you plan on coming on the beach, it's pretty cool. The city of North Wildwood actually put these signs over here reminding you to go ahead and keep 6 feet away, and it's pretty funny what they used. They used a dolphin. So when you come on the beach, make sure you're at least a dolphin length apart. Now, a lot of you guys are going to be asking yourself, well, what does social distancing on the beach actually look like? And well, today I brought the drone with me. There's a little bit of a wind, but we're going to go ahead and put the drone in the sky. That way you can check it out. Now, one thing I do have to mention is this part of the beach, at least this part of North Wildwood, is still closed off, not because of COVID, but because they've been doing a beach replenishment project since January by this point. And we have a video of that for you guys. I can put that in the description or over here in the corner. That's a pretty cool video because we filmed it in January all the way to about last week. Well, let's go ahead and put the drone in the sky. Here we go. So there you guys go. Now you have a drone point of view of how the beach looks. Right now there are no lifeguards on the beach, so today, for example, is like a swim at your own kind of risk kind of day. But you can see a lot of people are spaced out. Obviously, if you've been quarantined with your family for weeks on end, you can sit with them. but it doesn't look like people are on top of each other, which is good news for Memorial Day weekend. Anyway, thank you for joining me. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. I'm Joey, and I'll see you guys on the beach. See you later. Bye.